What is up, everyone? This is Rafe with Central Alps, a premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today here I have a 2024 Silverado Duramax that has a diesel engine, two-wheel drive. We're doing a walkthrough on it today, and I put a 4-inch ReadyLift Falcon lift on there. This is a great setup. The customer wanted it to ride like factory, smooth, and he asked and we delivered. So we gave him a ReadyLift 4-inch lift kit that has the Falcon shocks that are adjustable and whatnot, and you can adjust them in the rear for hauling or if you're just riding around town. And then he said it looks so good, it rides so great, let's come back and put some wheels and tires on there. So we wrapped them around with some 4-play 4P06 wheels in a 20x9 configuration with a 0 offset. And you know, we have to put on the usual, the 35, 1250, 20s, Rich Grapplers, as we always do. And this truck looks great, it rides great. There's almost no trimming required. There is a very small amount of rubbing if you do a full lock. But other than that, no rubbing, no scrubber, no nothing with this setup. So if you want your truck to look like this, drive as good as this one does, give us a call at 833-268-2577 here in Arlington, Texas. Thank you.